cycle defines the status of the requisition. So there are different statuses of the requisition, that is, the requisition status may be pre-approved, requisition status may be approved, and finally, if we don't want to deal with this requisition, we can close that requisition. If the requisition will not be approved by the approver, then the status of the requisition will become rejected. Now, if we have to enter the requisition information, then we have to enter the detailed information of different segments like header, line, and distribution. So in the header information, it contains detail relating to the overall purchase requisition. There can be only one header per requisition, but the lines, one requisition can have the multiple lines, and the line information contains the item information, whatever the quantity is required. And finally, in the distributions, the internal charge accounting distributions can be mentioned. We have mentioned the distribution details if we are creating the cumulative requirement of the different departments, then only this information will be entered. There are two types of requisitions, that is purchase requisition and internal requisition. If we create any requisition for the material, and if the source of that material is the supplier only, means the supplier which doesn't belong to our enterprise structure, then that requisition is called as the purchasing requisition. And from the purchasing requisition, only purchase order will be created. And if suppose the source of that material is nothing but any of the organization which belongs to our enterprise structure, then that requisition is called as internal requisition. And from the internal requisition, the source organization import the requisition from the requisition import, and from the requisition which is imported, internal sales order will be created. So from the purchase requisition, the purchase order will be created, and from